You are going to love the 2023 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.